What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack and we're almost at 100,000 subscribers with this channel. I'm super excited. Thank you so much for your support, for the love for this channel. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe now, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. Now, I'm still doing this advent calendar thing where I edit your pictures, and today we want to take this picture right here that Marjan sent us in the elevator. That's how it kind of looks. And transform it. And I've also got a lot of requests from you guys about the new UFO361 picture, the second latest that he posted, this one right here. And now we want to find a way to create that UFO361 look with the picture that you, Marjan, sent us. I hope you like the idea. I think it really fits to the image perfectly because there's also a lot of mirrors, and of course there's some artificial lighting, so it comes close to the scenery that UFO361 is in. So I thought this would be the perfect chance to do this tutorial with your picture. Now, this is what you sent me right here, and this right here is what we want to create out of it, that hard contrast kind of blue UFO361 look. And of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. If you guys don't want to follow along to the whole tutorial, you just want a quick and easy solution for this, it's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 100 presets that you could just easily paste to every one of your pictures in that free Lightroom app. So it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. And the cool thing about the all presets pack is that every time I create new presets, which at the moment is every day, they will be automatically updated to that preset pack. So you just have to get it once and you'll get new presets every day. It's a great deal. It's unique. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you have any questions, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. I'm always open for conversation. And maybe you want your picture to be edited in one of my videos as well. So feel free to send me your photos on Instagram as a DM. I'm always happy and excited to receive them. Now, I've said enough. Let's jump right into this edit. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open Marjan's picture in the free Lightroom app. So we open the app, and this is the picture that Marjan sent us right here. We go to light and then to curve on the upper right side, and now we just want to create that smooth S curve right here. Maybe pull up the shadows a little more, kind of soften things out down here so we got a little darker image. Once you have this curve as it is right here, we're done here, and we just want to boost up the contrast a little more to +7. Boost up the highlights as well to +29, and boost up the shadows as well to +13. The whites we want to boost up as well to +33 right here, and pull down the blacks to -30 right there. And then we're done with the light. We go over to color, and what we want to do here is just pull down the temperature a little bit to -4, and the saturation all the way down to -21 right here. Then we scroll up, go to color mix on the upper right side right there. And now for the red tones, we just want to boost the hue to +27, boost the saturation to +20, go over to the orange tones, boost the hue to +6, the saturation all the way to +65, so we get that skin tone back in there. And then the luminance down a little bit to around -10 or -9 right here. Then we go over to the yellow tones and just pull down the saturation a little bit to -44 or 45 right here. Then we're done with the mix. We go to the grading tab, and now for the shadows here, we want to pull over to a hue of around 214 around there, and a saturation of, in this case, 26 is perfect. So 24 right there, 215, 24 for the shadows, that deep blue tone to the shadows. Then the midtones here, what we want to do is just scroll to a hue of around 49 to 50 around here, that orange tone, and then a saturation of 44 or 45 in this case. The highlights we're not going to change, so we're done here. Then we go over to the effects tab. Here we just boost up the clarity to +17 or 18 to get that crisp into the picture, and then dehaze to -12 just to make it a little brighter in the highlights. And then of course we want to add a little bit of grain to around 34 right here is good, and we're done. And this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to that UFO361 inspired look, the one with the mirrors, with the blue, really cold looking kind of vibe, the high contrast, the high clarity. I really like this picture. I hope you guys, especially Marjan, you who sent me this picture right here to edit, like this edit as well. Once again, I've created a preset on exactly this look. If you want to recreate it, quickly try it out. It's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets, and the cool thing about the all presets pack is that it's growing on a weekly, now even daily basis. So every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated to the pack. You just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets every day. I think it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And of course, we're about to hit these 100,000 subscribers on this channel, and that's to you guys. Thank you so much for supporting this channel, for showing the love. I really enjoy creating this content for you guys. You make it so easy and so much fun for me to do these videos, so thanks so much to you guys. Of course, if you need anything else, or if you want me to take a look at your pictures, just send them in. Send me a DM on Instagram, @Wommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation. Now, thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.